Welcome to a fascinating world of astonishing animal minds. In this video, we will dive into the realm of intelligence and ingenuity within the animal kingdom. It's a story about creatures that possess exceptional thinking and incredible abilities that set them apart from all other beings on this planet. We'll get to know a compelling narrative of their unique stories and achievements, and we'll discover how animals can dazzle us with their minds and achieve remarkable breakthroughs in their own world. Let's embark on this inspiring journey to explore the smartest animal species in the world. Before we dive into the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. Bees, the incredibly intelligent insects. Bees are highly intelligent insects capable of learning new skills, solving complex problems, and communicating with one another. Their intelligence plays a crucial role in the success of a bee colony, as smart bees are better at finding food sources, protecting the hive from predators, and raising the next generation. Scientists have turned to the brains of honeybees to make a breakthrough in artificial intelligence systems and devices. According to the British news network BBC, researchers at the University of Sheffield believe that honeybees have an incredible ability to make quick decisions, despite the fact that the size of their brains is no larger than a sesame seed. The scientists studied how bees make decisions about which flowers to be attracted to in search of nectar. They trained 20 bees to recognize 5 different colored flowers: blue ones containing sugar syrup, green ones with sugar water and quinine, and the remaining colors containing glucose. Then, the bees were allowed to enter a dedicated garden with flowers containing only distilled water to study their reactions. The experiment found that the bees made rapid decisions and charted a course for themselves. They were attracted to the colored flowers they believed contained food within just 0.6 seconds of entering the garden, and they were equally quick in avoiding flowers they thought wouldn't have food. Dr. Hadi Mabudi, the supervisor of the study, explained, "What we did in this study was to uncover the fundamental mechanisms driving these remarkable decision-making abilities in bees." He added that the main goal of the study is to assist scientists and innovators in designing better and more powerful artificial intelligence robots and machines with a tremendous ability to avoid risks, machines that can think like bees. The raven. The raven, one of the smartest birds of prey. The raven is considered one of the most intelligent birds of prey, possessing an intelligence level that scientists estimate to be equivalent to a 5-year-old human child. Extensive scientific research confirms the cognitive abilities of ravens, primarily due to their possession of the largest brain relative to body size among birds. Raven traits: cause and effect. Thinking. Ravens have the capacity for cause and effect thinking. They exhibit a very strong memory, able to remember faces for extended periods. Tool-making. Ravens create tools from nature that they use to obtain food. Social laws. Ravens have laws that mirror human laws, particularly in relation to reward and punishment. Vocal imitation. Ravens can imitate human voices more clearly than parrots, provided they are raised in captivity. Their intelligence level surpasses that of monkeys and is said to be on par with that of a 5-year-old child. Raven society. Ravens establish special courts for aggressive ravens that act against the group's interests, such as stealing food or harming others. They hold trials and, in some cases, administer punishment, which can include banishment and, on occasion, death. Each raven must abide by these rules, and those who do not are put on trial. Raven-world ravens are perpetually drawn to colorful, shiny objects such as gold, silver, jewelry, and gemstones. Their nests often contain shiny items. When one of them dies, other ravens surround the deceased, forming a mourning-like procession to investigate the cause of death. If the raven was killed, they band together to seek and eliminate the culprit. They also engage in burial-like behavior for their deceased counterparts. Ravens are capable of producing a wide array of vocalizations, which scientists describe as a language of sorts. They use this language to deter cats, owls, and humans. If a raven screams, it is a distress signal. Ravens are found worldwide, except for the Antarctic continent, in mountainous forests, pine forests, deciduous forests, evergreen forests, deserts, grasslands, and on the outskirts of rainforests in urban and rural areas. Ravens are incredibly fearless and unafraid of predators such as eagles. In fact, they often harass and bother them, causing eagles to ascend to avoid the harassment. Ravens will also eliminate sick ravens to prevent the spread of diseases. Ravens are environmentally friendly birds, particularly for farmers, as they feed on ground insects and more. Ravens can count up to the number 9, as observed in experiments where a raven would not land in a rabbit hole in search of insects until all 9 rabbits had exited. They can even count down to the last rabbit. White ravens exist as a genetic mutation among ravens and are prevalent in the United States. The elephant. The elephant, one of the smartest animals on Earth. The elephant, this massive creature, has been a source of wonder for scientists for a long time due to the discoveries made regarding its abilities, especially its cognitive capabilities. It is widely known that elephants possess an exceptionally high level of intelligence, making them one of the smartest animals on Earth. Additionally, elephants have a powerful, long-term memory that enables them to recall past events and individuals they have encountered, as well as distinguish between various sounds. Recent studies have shed light on the remarkable abilities of elephants, particularly their ability to differentiate between recorded sounds of hostile and peaceful individuals. This is especially crucial for African elephants, particularly those living in the jungles of Africa, who face numerous threats from hunters seeking their valuable ivory tusks. Many people venture into these jungles for elephant sightings and research. Through these experiences, elephants have developed the capacity to distinguish between aggressive and non-aggressive individuals. Studies have revealed that African elephants can distinguish between the recorded voices of men and women, as well as between the voices of young boys and adult men. These voice recordings are typically just a few seconds long, and yet elephants can differentiate between them. Researchers explain that elephants pay attention to these sounds to determine if a person poses a threat to them. They then decide whether to respond defensively to a potential attack or continue with their normal lives. In one study, researchers conducted voice recordings of 2 well-known Kenyan tribes that interact with elephants regularly. The Maasai tribe had a historically unfriendly relationship with elephants due to their killing of elephants for their cattle, leading to a history of enmity. On the other hand, the Kamba tribe had a friendly relationship with elephants. Researchers played these voice recordings through loudspeakers in a Kenyan national park while observing the elephants' reactions. The elephants exhibited clear responses when they heard the voice of the Maasai tribe. They huddled together defensively and displayed signs of fear. The elephants even used their trunks to sniff the air to detect scents that could provide more information about the intruders. The skills of elephants do not stop at this point. They also use infrasound, which is often very low-frequency sound for humans, to maintain herd cohesion over distances of about 6 miles. Furthermore, elephants are known to make critical decisions when encountering predators based on their previous experiences in dealing with them. Notably, elephants experience grief much like humans. They mourn and even shed tears when participating in the burial of a member of their group. The harmful effects of grief on elephants can be severe, especially when the deceased is a young member, potentially leading to the death of one of their parents. It's also worth mentioning that elephants are environmentally friendly animals, particularly for farmers, as they feed on ground insects and more. In essence, elephants continue to astonish scientists with their intelligence and emotional depth, making them one of the most remarkable and fascinating creatures on Earth. Dolphin. Dolphins, the remarkable intelligence of marine mammals. Dolphins are known for their playful and agile swimming, but what many may not realize is that they possess remarkably large brains relative to their body size, ranking second only to humans in this regard. Dolphins exhibit complex cognitive abilities, as revealed by scientific studies. Indeed, studies have revealed that dolphins are incredibly intelligent creatures, and recent research conducted by Lori Marino from Emory University in Atlanta, Georgia, suggests that the dolphin brain can be compared to the human brain and may even rival it in some aspects. Marino analyzed the neural structure of 3 large bottlenose dolphins. When comparing brain size to body size, the dolphin's brain is smaller than the human brain when considering the dolphin's overall size. However, the dolphin's brain is more convoluted and intricate, occupying a larger area. This complexity compensates for the smaller mass, and the folds in the dolphin brain play a significant role in the functions of the protein cortex, a layer of the brain responsible for complex thinking and self-awareness. This research underscores the extraordinary cognitive abilities of dolphins and highlights the unique features of their brains, making them one of the most intelligent species on our planet. Dolphins excel at communication. The distinctive whistles and sounds produced by dolphins help them locate food in murky waters and can be emitted for up to 15 days. Research indicates that these sounds serve purposes beyond echolocation. Dolphins use these vocalizations to recognize one another, and they can remember the whistles and sounds of other dolphins for decades. Dolphins are also adept at communicating with humans. Researchers at the University of Hawaii's Dolphin Institute, for instance, trained a dolphin to understand nearly 40 American Sign Language words. Dolphins recognize their own reflection. Dolphins are one of the few animals capable of recognizing themselves through the reflection of their image on the water's surface. Researchers Diana Rice and Lori Marino found that when scientists withheld the usual fishy treats given to dolphins as rewards for good behavior, the dolphins responded by engaging in a new repertoire of underwater acrobatics and fin movements, presumably in the hope of receiving their treats once again. Dolphins use tools. Dolphins exhibit tool usage as well. By tearing pieces of sponge with their mouths, they can protect their snouts while foraging for fish on the seafloor among rocks and corals. After observing dolphins for more than 20 years, biologist Janet Mann noticed that dolphins using sponges often sought out other dolphins with a similar tool, representing a unique form of social behavior among animals. Moreover, numerous studies have demonstrated the intelligence of dolphins, suggesting that this newfound knowledge may improve our relationship with these intelligent creatures. For instance, the Indian government recently banned dolphin shows, citing their high, unique intelligence as one of the key reasons for the ban, deeming it ethically unacceptable to keep these animals captive for entertainment purposes. In conclusion, as we delve into the fascinating world of animal intelligence, we've discovered that some of Earth's most remarkable creatures possess minds that rival our own in many ways. Whether it's the incredible problem-solving skills of bees, the intricate communication of dolphins, or the memory and reasoning abilities of elephants and crows, the animal kingdom continues to astonish us with its capacity for complex thought and social interactions. These insights not only broaden our understanding of the natural world, but also challenge us to reevaluate our relationship with these remarkable beings who share our planet. As we explore the depths of their intelligence, let us remember to treat them with the respect and compassion they deserve. So, before we wrap up this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey into the world of animal intelligence.